Bony fishes have a bony skeleton. There are two groups in bony fishes. We have the ray-fin fishes and the lobe-fin fishes. The ray-fin fishes are thought to be more diverse than the other two and along with vertebrate groups. Bony fishes' skeletal structures of their lower jaw, the bones supporting their eyeball, and formation of the pectoral girdles, swim bladders help balance and stabilize the fishes within the water column.
They have ganoid, cycloid, or cytinoid scales, which are smooth and overlap each other. Bony fish lack placoid scales. They all have gills which are known to serve as their main organ for respiration. Some can breathe through vascularized swim bladders or lungs, which others breathe through the membranes, which include the skin, intestines, or the stomach. Bony fish are such as swordfish and tuna have developed their own ability for their body temperature. The largest bony fish is known as the ocean sunfish. It weighs over 5,000 pounds. The smallest bony fish is known as the dwarf pygmy goby, which is just 1/3 of an inch.
What are invertebrates? Basically, they are animals that lack backbones. Over 98% of species on Earth are invertebrates. Some groups of invertebrates are sponges, cnidarians, and marine worms. There are between 9,000 and 15,000 species of sponges classified under the phylum Porifera. Sponges are relatively simple animals that originated with the first animal life in the Precambrian time. The body plan of a sponge has been adjusted to filter small food particles from the passing water, allowing them to live in most habitats, including polar shelves and submarine caverns that often have very few nutrients. Like other animals, sponges were found to also grow extremely slowly in cold waters, such as those of the Antarctic. Scientists have found that one glass sponge, the Scolimastra joubini, was between the ages 15,000 and 23,000 years old, which means that the sponge appears to be the longest-lived animal on Earth yet recorded. An example of the more popular jellyfish is the box jellyfish, and it is possibly the world's most deadly jellyfish. It can potentially kill 60 humans and in less than 3 minutes. These jellyfish are very small and are basically see-through, so efforts of trying to avoid these venomous beauties is oftentimes unavoidable and is associated with detrimental repercussions.
Octopus is a cephalopod mollusk in the order of Octopoda. They have 2 eyes and 4 pairs of arms and are bilaterally symmetric. It has a hard beak with its mouth at the center point of the arms. They don't have internal or external skeletons, which allows them to squeeze through tight areas. Octopus are the most behaviorally flexible and intelligent of all invertebrates. Octopus inhabits diverse regions such as coral reefs, pelagic waters, and the ocean floor. They can expulse ink, co-camouflage, jet quickly through water, and the ability to hide away from predators. They are not poisonous to humans except for the blue ring octopus. Octopus are 1/3 the number of known cephalopod species. Oil spills are plaguing our ocean waters. If we want to keep our ocean at its original state, we should understand, protect, restore, and sustainably use ocean and coastal habitats. Some animals that are suffering in our ocean waters are seals and sea lions because of all the debris floating. It causes them to get tangled in it. Also, California sea lions are suffering from domoic acid poisoning caused by a toxic algal bloom. It comes from either the anchovies or sardines that they eat.
Global warming. It is an increase in the Earth's normal temperature. One of the most influenced territories of global warming has been our oceans. Different plants and animals in our oceans need both a temperature and light balance in order to live. Phytoplankton, for example, start their growth cycle earlier in the season now because of warming oceans. Since phytoplankton grows now earlier seasons, the entire food chain is affected. Animals that once traveled to the top for food are now finding areas with no nutrients, and creatures that need light to survive are starting their growth cycles at different times. This creates an unbalanced environment. Global warming has long been blamed for the huge rise in the world's jellyfish population. It's because jellyfish love warm water. Warm water is perfect for producing more jellyfish.
What is an invertebrate? Where do invertebrates live? What do invertebrates eat? Name one group in the invertebrate category.
What is global warming?
What is the percentage of living organisms that are invertebrate? Name two types of invertebrates. True or false? Invertebrates have a backbone? How many legs does an octopus have? What percentage of animal species are vertebrates?
Invertebrates. Invertebrates, no backbone, sitting on his throne, eating on the stone. Invertebrates, swimming through this wondrous sea. Invertebrates, trying to swim away, all I see is gray, there is no other way. Invertebrates, this stuff is taking over me. Getting so tired, trying so hard to breathe. What is this to breathe? I'm giving up, can't go on. Taking over me. There I go, way down. This oil makes me frown. There I go, way down. Yeah, this oil makes me frown. Invertebrates, there is no way out, for sure without a doubt. What is this all about? Invertebrates, I'm dying slowly now. Invertebrates, black is all I see, it's taking over me, as sick as I can be. Invertebrates, after suffering I'll be okay. Getting so tired, trying so hard to breathe. What is this to breathe? I'm giving up, can't go on. Take, taking over me. There I go way down. This oil makes me frown. There I go way down. Yeah, this oil makes me frown. Invertebrates